Now, let me explain further. You know, the concept in our mind is 2.5%. That is a guideline. That is the minimum. That yes, this is the amount which is compulsory upon us. But every year when it comes to our rental, we want to increase our rental. We want to add, you know, a few percent on the rental. But why do we not add when we're taking out our zakat? Why do we have to be, oh, that's it, 2.5%? I know of people who've told me, Maulana, we take out 5% zakat. We should take out more. This is just the minimum which the Sharia has taught to us. You know the Sadaqatul Fitr amount, which we will talk one of the weeks before Eid, you know, it says minimum 11,000. I have seen people saying, oh, 11,000 is what is mentioned, we will give 11,000. That is the minimum amount. You can give 300,000 per family member. You want to make a joyous Eid for someone. Remember that the concept is that if every one of us as a Muslim gives our zakat correctly,